Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.1%. This equates to an average return of 1.35% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $288.36 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 27.95% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 50.55% and negative 25.93%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 42.01%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 17.49% to 172.38% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $329.60 and $764.08. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price ended at $280.52 on Thursday, after losing 0.581%. The Tesla stock price fell by 0.581% on the last day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, from $282.16 to $280.52. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.95%, with a day low at $279.82 and a day high of $290.87. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 16.13% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive indicator as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 27 million shares, and in total, 98 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $27.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, and the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price is 42.58%, or $208.02, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments at Tesla highlight growing concerns regarding Elon Musk's role as CEO against a backdrop of declining sales and profit. As of the 1st of May, 2025, the company's board has publicly defended Musk, assuring investors of their confidence in his leadership, despite rising worries about his absences and political distractions. This uncertainty has led some insiders to speculate about a potential search for a new CEO, with conflicting reports emerging about whether Tesla is actively seeking Musk's replacement. Moreover, the financial health of the company remains a critical issue. Tesla's latest earnings reveal significant pressure on net profit margins, which turn negative when regulatory credits are excluded, an overlooked but essential factor in assessing the company's financial performance. This troubling outlook may alarm investors, especially as broader market sentiments shift due to fears of recession, contributing to a notable decline in stock prices, including a 6% drop in Tesla's share price. In the short term, uncertainty surrounding Musk's leadership and financial metrics could lead to increased volatility in Tesla's stock price. long-term perspectives remain mixed, with supporters arguing that maintaining Musk at the helm ensures continuity in innovation, while critics warn that leadership instability may deter investor confidence. As the situation unfolds, market reactions will be crucial in determining Tesla's trajectory in an increasingly competitive electric vehicle landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these averages, indicating that the short-term average is above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, there are support levels at $276.54 and $256.85. Should the price fall below either of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 26.44%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, adds to the positive indicators. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 57 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 44 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $272.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $11.05 between its high and low points, representing a change of 3.95%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.53%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 420 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $282.76. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $272.20. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of April, 2025, Gebbia Joseph conducted an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 7th of April, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav also conducted an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 7th of April, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted another insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Murdoch James R. conducted an insider purchase of 351,787 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.1. In total, insiders purchased 891,105 shares and sold 1,326,151 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $270.03, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Notably, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are looking positive. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that Tesla will open higher by $3.22, starting at $283.74. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.